Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on over here to DB Adventures. I'm Dylan.
I'm Brooke.
And this morning, I'm going to be guiding Brooke on an epic creek fishing adventure.
Johns Creek.
Johns Creek. About 2 weeks ago, I was here with my cousin Tate, and he guided me. Now I'm a professional guider, and I'm going to be guiding Brooke. So we're going to get geared up, and we're going to get down to the water, and we're going to get on some fish. Woo! You got one?
I got a fish in.
There you do. Good job. Flip it up over here.
Look at my fishes. This is a beautiful little largemouth. Nom 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 nom. All off he goes. Fishing!
There you go. You got a rock bass.
Fishy number 2, a rock bass. Ooh. Spiky. Rock bass. Release.
You got another one? Look at that. Another little rock bass.
Fishy number 3, a rock bass. Rock bass. Release. Oh, he was dead.
Right there, baby. Put that up on the plate. That's a smallmouth.
Oh, species number 3.
Sure is.
Species number 3, a
Fish number
smallmouth.
4.
Please, please. There we go. What kind of fish do you catch while you fish?
Rock bass and smallmouth.
Oh, I got a large
Yep.
one.
We got one.
What are you doing?
Rock bass.
Oh, look how cute. There's a water in it.
Yeah.
Make sure you go check the can. That smallmouth got me.
Did it? It got me too. Here we go, guys. We're finally on the board. Fish number 1. Nice little rock bass. Let's get a nice little release on this guy. Get our line back in the water. If Brooke don't catch my line. No release on that one. Oh, I got him that time. A rock bass. Of course.
I think I actually caught rock. Same place I got stuck with. Maybe it wasn't a fish diving.
I got you that time, didn't I, buddy? Rock bass number 2. Get a little release on this guy. Beautiful. We got another one. Rock bass number 3. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I'm catching, a rock bass. Ouch. Quit it. If you'd send me your smallmouth friends, quit. I'm trying to save your life. This is rock bass number 4. Who wants to see another release on a rock bass when they can just give him a backflip? All right, y'all, that's going to wrap it up here at Johns Creek. We got about 10 fish in about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. Brooke caught the most species with 3. I was only catching rock bass today.
4, counting the wood. You should have seen it that big.
Wow, a tree pounder.
Tree pounder.
But thank you all for watching this episode. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next adventure. See ya.
Bye.
Woo!